Hi everybody, welcome back. So this time we're jumping back into the Boss Base Extrude to learn a few more options and hopefully give you a better idea of how to use it. So let's get right to it. Okay, so last time we talked about, we have a rectangle, we have some shape, it just has to be a closed contour. We go to our Features tab and we click on the Extruded Boss Base. Now when I do that, I can go from a two-dimensional shape, this is really tiny, so let me change these numbers to 5, there we go, to a three-dimensional shape. If I had that green checkbox, it is now a three-dimensional shape. What you'll notice is that your sketch, it disappears. It gets eaten by the three-dimensional shape. The 2D shape goes inside of the 3D shape. Interestingly enough, if I change the sketch, the 3D shape will automatically update, which is nice. If I want to change my feature, change the settings, I can click on this guy right here, and I can either click on, there we go, Edit Feature, which is this one, or Edit Sketch if I want to change the sketch. I want to click on Edit Feature because I want to show you some more of the options. So last time we learned about blind and midplane. We're not going to hit any of the other ones yet. We need to get some more features, get a bit more complex before we do that. I want to show you right now is this button right here. Okay? This button right here. Now what is this? This is called Draft. Draft simply says that I might want my object to get smaller as it extrudes or to get larger as it extrudes. This can save you some time, make it a little bit easier. So if I click on this, it will immediately begin to do this. You can't really see much of a difference right now. But as I change the angle, you will rapidly see that, hey, this is getting smaller. And it gets smaller by an angle. So I'm going down by 5 degrees. I can also click on Draft Outward to get bigger by 5 degrees. And so this line right here, if I was had a perfectly horizontal line, I'll look at it from the top. It'll be an easier way to see it. So if I wanted to, I could have a line going straight down right here. The angle between those two lines would be 5 degrees. Doesn't change. And as I go out, it will get bigger. Or if I decide to go inward, it will get smaller. You can do these for a lot of things. It's really good with taper. Sometimes you want a cone to taper down a little bit. It's an easy way of making a cone. So lots of things we can use for that. Okay, I'm going to remove that for now because I don't need that. Okay, and let's go back to an isometric view. Ooh, do not like that one. You know what? We're going to allow that to be. There we go. Good as it can be. Second thing I want to talk about is selected contours, right here. Now, this is usually how you will tell SolidWorks, hey, this is the shape I actually want you to extrude. If I have a bunch of closed contours, maybe you don't want to do all of them. Or sometimes it gets confused. Like if I had 2 boxes right here, actually I'll just go ahead and show that to you. So I'm going to go back down here and edit my sketch. So I've got 1 box right here, but what if I had a second box? And what if I only wanted to extrude this border, not the center? Seems reasonable. But how do you tell SolidWorks which ones you want? I'll actually add a little bit of extra stuff too. Okay, so I'm going to exit my sketch. It gets angry at me. Exit the sketch and rebuild anyway. And the reason it got angry at me is because it had no idea what to do right there. It's like, okay, the feature I was messing around with was gone. So right now, it doesn't know what it wants to extrude. Usually it will do this for you automatically. It can make a good guess, but it's not always right. So if it guesses wrong, click on the Selected Contours button, look at it, and then you select what you want to actually extrude. You can select multiple things. I can select all of them if I want to. If I don't want a piece of them, I can unselect them by clicking them again. Then I do it again, and suddenly I have a 3D shape, but now with a strange, jaggedy tooth in there. It works. It's not terribly difficult. So, with that in mind, hopefully this helps you get a little bit better idea of how the Boss Base Extrude works. We will be going into some more detail about these other options, like up to vertex, up to surface, offset from surface, up to body in the future. We'll also talk about the from one right here where I can change where it is actually coming from. So, thanks for your attention. Hope this helps you, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.